sure you've used Adobe Express before, but let's take our design to the next level with its AI options. First, I'm going to open Adobe Express. Next, I head over to the Insert Object section and upload the design I create on Shotsaw. After that, I write the object I want to insert. In this case, I'm going to add a plane. Now, I select the brush size and click on the area where I want the plane to be added, drawing out the space with the brush. Now, I'm going to click on Insert. Then, I repeat the process to add the other elements. Now I'm going to add the text. First, let's select the text icon and then I'm going to choose Add Your Text. Now I'm going to write the word or the phrase I want to be added. Next, I'm going to click on Generate Text Effects. Then I'm going to personalize the text. You can either describe the effect you want to create or choose from the sample effects. Once you're happy with your choice, hit on Download and save it.